Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AliExpress, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AliExpress website. Look for the join or sign up button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be presented with multiple registration options. You can choose to sign up using your email address, phone number, or social media accounts. If you select the email option, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click on the Join or Sign Up button to proceed. If you've chosen the phone number option, select your country code first. Enter your mobile number in the designated field. After that, click on Get Code to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code in the required field. If you prefer to use a social media account, select the relevant option and follow the prompts to log in. Once you complete the sign-up process, you may need to check your email inbox or SMS for a verification link or code. Click the link or enter the code to confirm your account. After verification, log in to your newly created AliExpress account. Now, you can complete your profile by adding personal details such as your shipping address. Browse the categories to find the products you are interested in. Add items to your cart as you explore the vast selection available. When you're ready to make a purchase, proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping details and select your payment method. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm your order to place it. Congratulations, you are now registered with AliExpress and ready to shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.